Suppose we are having a disease. It could be a chronic ailment or whatever, but when we are unable to face the reality, face means we are not in the present or feeling body, but we are worried or we are stressed about the ailment or any serious problem in our life. So we are thinking about it, worrying, stressing about it. So it means that we are refusing to accept the situation, because now nothing can be done about the problem or the illness or whatever, the chronic ailment. So if we keep thinking about it, then our thoughts are like going wavering, it's oscillating, and every thought will have an effect, because every thought is a cause and it is a seed, so it will create a fruit or a consequence. So when we are accepting the situation, not denying it, so instantly our thoughts become silent, our mind becomes silent, and we come into the feeling body or the present moment. And this, our EQ gets balanced. When our EQ gets balanced, then our heart center begins to open up and we receive the constant unconditional love from the Supreme towards us. And there will be a lot of energy flow which will heal the mind and the situation, our body, and everything. But if we are not accepting the situation or the problem, so what happens? That same thought of worry or fear or anger or stress, it starts getting built up. It grows in intensity because we are giving attention to that. We are constantly in the mind. So it becomes reactive. Re means again, and active means the action becomes strengthened again and again, and it grows in intensity, and it will aggravate the situation or the illness or whatever it is. It will get aggravated. Instead of healing, it grows. So when there will be a block of energy flow, our body will not be able to recover and get restored. And of course, in some cases, when the event is very traumatic, the victim might not be able to accept and may go into a denial mode. So what happens then? When they are in the denial mode, they are constantly here and the feeling body gets affected. So they are unable to see clearly, unable to recognize between right, wrong, discern, unable to listen to their intuition, the inner voice, the inner guide, unable to be in touch with the spirit, the feeling of aliveness, and the sense body gets affected, the sense of touch, the sense of taste, everything, because there will be a breakdown in communication because the attention is over here, they are in denial mode. But the moment they accept the situation, they go away from thinking into feeling in the present. And here what happens, the proper communication is happening from the soul to the into the body, and the mind will give all the proper signals. So the body will give the proper communication and it will be able to function very well. And if we are constantly in denial, chronic denial, it will give maybe a temporary relief or respite. For some time we feel okay, things are now what to do, and you'll be complaining. For some time we will feel okay. But when we don't use that moment to relax our mind and come into the present, then that overthinking will create more frustration and grow into a greater problem, and we can attract more problems, challenges, diseases, etc. So when we are in acceptance, it empowers us to come into the balance, into control of what we can change. Because when we don't think, we become peaceful, and from here we can get new thoughts, positive thoughts, and we will start thinking in a new way about the situation instead of being stuck in the worry or the fear or the stress which is in the mind. It means that we are not thinking, so there will be a reduction in the negative emotions. So our EQ will be balanced. And any stress in the mind will be dissolved. So that will help us to see clearly in the moment. And we will be connected to our spirit and the spiritual love. So acceptance means respecting yourself as well as others. And acceptance is the first step to recovery. So when we accept, we start loving and respecting our body no matter what. And this brings us into wholeness. But if we are thinking, then it divides us and we get separated. And we become disconnected with the spirit. It weakens our emotional bond, and our energies begin to get disintegrated. So acceptance brings us into wholeness, unity, and our EQ becomes balanced, and we begin to get integrated. So accepting reality as it is with our whole self. Thinking, worrying, judging, criticizing, complaining, stressing, it will create parts and divide and separate us. And we become misattuned with our heart center, misaligned, and not in harmony with the Supreme. So we get disconnected with our spirit, and we get disintegrated. When we allow and feel the uncomfortable emotions such as sadness, disappointment, etc., to arise within us, then we are inclined to resist or numb our bad feeling. Because we don't feel good about it, we try to do different actions which may not be right for us to somehow distract ourselves from that bad feeling. So people try to fill their voids with doing actions like smoking or drinking or something which they are not able to have a control upon, and they come into addictions. And continuously, when we feel bad, when our emotional state is having a bad feeling, it could be because we have done something wrong also, or because we have failed to do something we should have done. For example, we could feel guilty for not visiting our parents enough. So it is those actions, and the feeling of guilt is blocking our heart center, our emotional state. Now, that guilt and that imbalance in the heart center, it creates a uneasy mind or a disturbed mind. because of something you have not done, and we keep overthinking about it. So we need to notice that what we are giving attention to. Are we negatively, we are sabotaging ourselves, continuously blaming, finding fault, criticizing, complaining, not forgiving, ruminating on the same thing again and again. These will lead to imbalance in our emotional states, because we didn't accept what was happening. So now that has caused an internal struggle in our mind. So we are unable to concentrate, be mindful, be meditative, be focus on making healthy steps of action which will lead to productivity. So let us fully accept ourselves however we are. So we begin to respect ourselves, connect to the divine spirit within us, and from there we begin to grow and receive positive energies, and our body, our life gets better and better.